add salt to the dishwashing liquid. You definitely haven't tried this method yet. The results are amazing. You'll surely want to try this method at home right away. Measure 200 milliliters of dishwashing liquid and pour it into a container. It can be any liquid you use at home. Add 2 large tablespoons of salt. Salt is not just a seasoning, it is also a valuable agent for fighting dirt, deposits, and burnt residues. Also, add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda not only cleans, but also disinfects. Finally, pour in 200 milliliters of water. Mix all the ingredients. When everything is mixed, pour the mixture into a bottle. Use a funnel for this. A bottle with a spout from any beverage works best. The mixture has its unique properties. Salt and soda added to the dishwashing liquid turn it into a super liquid. I mostly use it in the kitchen. When the bottoms of pots get slightly burnt and dirty, I use this liquid. This product will deal with them perfectly. It's perfect for that. You don't have to use a lot of it. The dishes will be clean and shiny. It's an inexpensive and simple recipe, but incredibly effective. Try it at home, and you'll quickly see for yourself.